Chapter 6 Control and Coordination Notes from Class 10th Subject Science. Introduction. Living organisms constantly interact with their environment. They respond to stimuli like light, touch, heat, sound, and chemicals. These responses require control and coordination so that the organism can react properly. In animals, coordination is controlled by the nervous system and endocrine system hormones. In plants, coordination occurs through hormones and movements, growth related or immediate. 6.1 Animals Nervous System. Control and coordination in animals is achieved by nervous tissue and muscular tissue. Information from the environment is detected by receptors in sense organs: gustatory, taste; olfactory, smell; photoreceptors, light, that is eyes; thermoreceptors, temperature; mechanoreceptors, touch, pressure. Neuron transmits information as electrical impulses. Transmission of impulses: dendrite to cell body to axon to synapse to next neuron muscle gland. Friends, this is the structure of neuron and this is neuromuscular junction. 6.1.1 What happens in reflex actions? Reflex action: sudden, automatic, involuntary response to stimulus. Controlled by spinal cord, not brain, saves time. Pathway: reflex arc. Stimulus to receptor to sensory neuron to spinal cord to motor neuron to effector muscle gland. Examples: pulling hand from flame, blinking, knee jerk. 6.1.2 Human brain. Brain, main coordinating center of body, divided into three main parts. First, forebrain, this one. Cerebrum, thinking, memory, intelligence, voluntary actions. This is cerebrum. Centers for hunger, thirst, smell, hearing, vision, speech. Second, midbrain. This is midbrain. Controls involuntary actions like reflexes of eyes and ears. Third, hindbrain. So friends, this is hindbrain, pons, medulla and cerebellum. Cerebellum, posture, balance, coordination of voluntary actions. Medulla, involuntary actions, breathing, heartbeat, vomiting, salivation, BP. 6.1.3 How are these tissues protected? Brain is protected by cranium, skull, bony covering. Meninges, fluid-filled membrane for shock absorption. Spinal cord is protected by vertebral column. 6.1.4 How does the nervous tissue cause action? Neurons send electrical impulses to muscles. Muscles respond by contraction, relaxation due to special contractile proteins. Voluntary muscles under control of will versus involuntary muscles not under control. 6.2 Coordination in plants. Plants lack nervous system and muscles, yet they respond to stimuli. Plant movements are of two types. 6.2.1 Immediate response to stimulus. Example: Mimosa pudica, touch me not, folds leaves on touch. Information transmitted by electrochemical signals, not nerves. Cells at swollen bases of leaves lose, gain water, shrink or swell, that is movement. 6.2.2 Movement due to growth. Movements are slow, permanent and caused by growth. Example: tendrils of pea plant coil around support. Tropisms, directional growth movements. Phototropism, towards light, shoots. Geotropism, roots grow downward, shoots upward. Like this one, roots grow downward and shoots upward. Hydrotropism, roots grow towards water. Chemotropism, pollen tubes grow towards ovules. Plant hormones, phytohormones, auxins, cell elongation, phototropism. Gibberellins, stem growth. Cytokinins, cell division. Abscisic acid ABA inhibits growth, causes wilting. 6.3 Hormones in animals. Endocrine system. Glands without ducts secrete hormones directly into blood. Hormones regulate growth, metabolism, reproduction, and stress response. Adrenaline, adrenal glands, fight or flight hormone, increases heartbeat, breathing rate, blood to muscles. Thyroxine, thyroid gland, regulates carbohydrate, fat, protein metabolism, needs iodine. Deficiency, goiter. Growth hormone, pituitary gland, regulates growth, deficiency, dwarfism, excess, gigantism. Sex hormones, testosterone males, estrogen females, causes puberty changes. Insulin, pancreas, controls blood sugar levels, deficiency, diabetes. Next, hypothalamus, controls release of many hormones by pituitary gland. Example, growth hormone releasing factor stimulates pituitary to release growth hormone. Works via feedback mechanism. Example, insulin production when blood sugar rises. Table 6.1 Some important hormones and their functions. First, growth hormone. Endocrine gland, pituitary gland, function, stimulates growth in all organs. Next, thyroid gland, regulates metabolism for body growth. Next hormone, insulin, function, regulates blood sugar level. Next hormone, testosterone, testis, ovaries, function, development of female sex organs, regulates menstrual cycle, etc. Sixth, adrenaline, endocrine gland, adrenal gland. Next hormone, releasing hormones, function, stimulates pituitary gland to release hormones. What you have learned: control and coordination is essential in living beings. Nervous system uses electrical impulses for quick responses. Reflex, voluntary and involuntary actions are coordinated by brain and spinal cord. Plants respond through movements, growth based or immediate, controlled by hormones. Hormones in animals regulate growth, metabolism, reproduction, and emergency responses. Feedback mechanisms regulate hormone levels to maintain balance. So friends, we have completed notes of chapter 6, control and coordination. We will do question answers of this chapter in a separate video. If you like the video, kindly like, hype the video and share it with your friends. Also subscribe to my channel for more such videos. We will meet in the next video. Thank you for watching.